Hey all, it's Steve from GuitarNiche here. So I've got a wonderful Tom Anderson instrument on the bench here, and some nice frets, but the fretboard is a little gungy, so we're going to clean it. I'm not worried about the condition of the frets at all, like in terms of wear or anything like that. They're pretty clean. I am more concerned about just simply cleaning the surface junk. Okay, so I'll show you the process just for a quick clean. By the way, notice that there's no strings on it, of course. This is the best way to do this sort of thing. And magically, the guitar has not exploded. You know, that's the wonderful thing. Okay, so I'm going to start with masking off some sensitive areas. Okay, so this will be like a process start to finish, you know, and make sure that our pickups are not interrupted, compromised in any way. I'll put a little bit around headstock there just for fun, just over the nut. Okay. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to cover just stops any foreign material from getting into where it doesn't belong. So, what am I going to use? I'm going to use a solvent. That's right, a solvent. Heaven forbid, to lift the surface grime. This thing is like, it's just got a little finger gun, John. It's really not that bad. And this solvent will not harm the instrument whatsoever. Okay? We know a little bit about the history of this instrument, etc., etc. So this is going to be just fine. So I hit that, quick spray, gently rub that in, and quick as beans, I'm going to wipe it up with paper towel. Moreover, I feel the need to get just a little bit more aggressive. Just a little bit more aggressive. So, I'm going to break out one of my favorite trusty tools for this sort of job, which is a brass bristle brush. This thing's getting a lot of mileage. I've been using it quite a bit. Very soft. Very, 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 very soft. Very soft. So look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, it hasn't. It doesn't harm it in the slightest. Not in the slightest. It's just the right bristle size. I haven't measured it or anything, but it's just the right bristle size to be very, very safe with this sort of thing. And this is a matte finish, so you know I got a little bit of leeway. If this was a high polish finish, I'd be masking it off to protect it, you know, and that's a different story. Anyway, I'm going to use my solvent and hit that again real quick. Now the other beautiful thing about that brass bristle brush is that it gets into the knees or the corners of the frets and lifts, really helps to extract all that hidden junk that you might not see, which is really, really cool, because that stuff, it lives underneath the fret if you leave it too long, and it starts to rot stuff. Okay, so anyway, that's pretty much it. But just for you know, to make really nicey nice, I'm gonna take some 6,000 micro mesh here and give it a nice little polish. See, there's some slight divots there, but they're like, I mean, this thing it's in great shape, really great shape. And of course I'm going to go with the frets. I must confess, I'm not sure if these are stainless or not, but I think they are, just by the way they retain their shine. but I'm not 100%. Maybe I'll let you know in the description. Okay, anyway, but I have to determine the model, etc., etc. So now I'm going to wipe up a little bit of that leftover junk. There's some debris on some contaminant, I should say, on the paper there from a previous job. So this is just surface junk. If you see any discoloration, I'm going to get another paper towel there. The beautiful thing about paper towels is when you're dealing with dirt around a guitar, okay, the paper towel will pick up of course, whatever nasties you're working on, and they go in the garbage. They're not left on a rag or cloth or anything that you may forget about and wind up having an issue with contamination in the wrong way. And that right there, that's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Shiny, brand new, and just in wonderful condition, just like that. Okay? So, that's the end of that story. Anyway, it's really that simple. So, off with the tape and on with the rest of the show. Okay? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, that's kind of all she wrote. Anyway, like and subscribe. Do refer to the notes in the descriptions. There are some really great resources in there. I've put a lot of work into providing very useful information. Freebies. There's you can go to the website and get a copy of how to adjust guitar action that I put together. It's almost 10,000 words and about 70 pages. So it's a book. I'm giving away a book. Okay, so grab your free book while you can, etc., etc. Thanks a lot. Play loud, have fun, have a great day.